Hi, my name is Zacharias Walker, and this is my video for the Lab 12, which is the Fail2Ban lab. So the purpose of Fail2Ban is to protect our server from automated attacks, where hackers try to guess passwords over and over again. So to start, I firstly installed Fail2Ban into my server, and I run this command here in this first screenshot to configure Fail2Ban. In the second screenshot, you can see that after running the Fail2Ban client status, we have initially not got any banned IPs. However, what I did to test this is I logged in I used my mobile hotspot for my phone, and I logged in to my server and tried using my password multiple times and entered it wrong multiple times until my server finally blocked me out. And then I logged back in on the school Wi-Fi, and when I checked the Fail2Ban client status, it showed that I had one banned IP, which was the IP address of my mobile hotspot. So, as you can see on screen, Fail2Ban successfully caught the attack, showing one currently banned IP address. This proves our defense is active and working.